Well, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we had a little mishap with the wrecker up on the iron range, and as it turns out, we're going to have to do some repairs. We need the hoist. So that means that we got to finish the steering in this and get the tires back on and get it out of the hoist.
Okay, so what?
So we got to take this out so I can weld the bungs in there, and then we can put it back in after we paint it.
Well, you got one that's already painted.
Yeah, that's for the long one.
Whoa. I'm dropping.
Yep, that's right. Right here. Okay. One's right hand, one's left hand.
Yep, so you're gonna twist towards Eric.
Pick that up and put it in this hole and that hole.
Okay, so it's...
Yeah.
The hole?
The inner hole. Yep. That is, there we go. There. Okay. And now,
No. Here, Jordan, here's the castle.
Oh, thank you.
You're rich!
now lift it up.
I got steering now?
No, not yet. We still got to put the drag link in. We have to weld that together. You got the holes drilled. Now we can weld it up. put your cover on. Wow, that looks nice.
How beautiful it looks.
Yeah. Well, let's get this in. I'll have to paint it later. Yeah, it's hot. There we go. Okay. We'll have to take that out and paint it eventually, but for now, we'll get it together and get it off of the hoist.
Right.
Okay, turn it back and forth. Oh, yeah, we got power steering fluid coming out. That's all right. Go ahead.
All the way?
Yep. Okay, back the other way.
She's getting tough right there.
Yeah. Okay. Looks like everything's gonna clear.
Okay, and I'm gonna straighten her out. Tell me when I'm straight.
Yeah. Keep going. Oh, whoa, whoa, too far. Back a little more. That's good. Okay. We'll have to pull this out and paint it later. And we'll have to put these in later too.
What are those?
Well, they go here for extra support.
Oh. So more drilling holes and everything else.
Yeah, but it'll work fine the way it is for now.
Okay. Move her, big Ruby. Big Ruby, yeah, big Ruby. Big Ruby. Is Big Ruby on the tractor? What do you want? Hold on, there's a trick to him. Yep. That one went perfect. Now you can torque them for me.
Well, you got your tires on,
Yes.
but unfortunately, it's all gonna have to come back apart because we gotta put gears in the front axle, we gotta put a locker in there, we gotta paint this, we gotta put brakes on, everything's gonna have to come apart.
Oh, I know, but you broke.
Yeah, that's right.
So I'm being nice and letting you have the hoist instead of me hogging it.
Yeah,
So
all right,
I thought I'd be nice and I'd just get it out of your way.
thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, time to unload the wrecker, get it in the shop now that we got Blondie off the hoist. This is gonna get a little scary. When I loaded this on the trailer, we had no power steering, no power brakes. This isn't from the last video down at Trollhagen. This is from our adventure up on the iron range at Crawl for the Cure. Well, that wasn't too bad, but I'll tell you, I can't stop it when it's in gear without power brakes. Well, that's as far as we're gonna go because I can't steer or stop this thing. We got to figure that out before we get it on the hoist. Well, looks like we lost some belts here. Where's the hydraulic one? Oh, there's one. All right, well, looks like we got to put some belts on. That kind of sucks. That power steering one's a pain. Well, I don't know what caused that. Maybe a stick or something got up in there. Anyway, we got to change some belts. Oh, we're gonna have to get a new one of those, and we only have one of these. Oh, I think I can save the power steering pump belt. That'll save a ton of work. There we go. Okay, I think that'll do. That saved me a ton of work. We still got to do the alternator, still got to do the hydraulic pump belts. But let's see if that got my power steering and my brake booster back. Yeah, that'll stay there. Well, there's our squeak in the rear. That barely hung on there. And we need shackle bushings. Well, looks like we got to make a run to the parts store. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods.